today we're going to bring a 3 propeller fan. This is a nice, beautiful gold decorate fan, and it's a high ceiling fan or short. Your option, you could do it high or you could do it short. Now, these are very simple to set up. All you got to do is hang it. Pretty much, it just hangs as it swings, and then it just completely locks in place, so you won't be able to drop it. So you do have a couple connections you need to be worrying about: your ground, your hot, and your neutral. That's pretty much it. It does come with a remote control for wireless connection, and you do have another option, which is your phone to set up. So we're gonna set this up today and see how it looks. There we go. We got that in there. All right, we're gonna try different types of modes on the light. All right, so let's go ahead and change it. We're gonna put plus, minus. We're toning it down, and then we're gonna turn different types of color. Change in the middle. Look at that brightness. And we could do 4 hours, 5 hours, and so forth. We're gonna keep it as is. We're gonna turn on the fan to number 1. You guys can see the fan's gonna go on. We're on number 1 right now, and it's not loud at all. And we're gonna go 6 to see the strong. And I'm gonna set you guys up a little bit closer so you guys can hear the fan. And then we can turn off the fan anytime we want. Just hit off. Turns off the fan. You got 6 modes on the fan, and then you could turn both of them off if you want with the power button, and you could change it to wave. You could reverse, you could go the opposite way, and like I said, you have a timer. And I like the aesthetics of the actual LED RGB lighting on the top. So we're going to turn off the lights and clear here so you guys can see it. All right, here we have the control right now, and we're going to try to see if we can power it off so you guys can see how dark it is. All right, look at that red lighting in the background. That's beautiful. Let's turn off the lights so you guys can see the different types of light that we have in RGB lighting. Turn on the background. That's one color. Let's change the different color.